So we got the Avid 1 AB20s mounted on the rubber finally today. We'll install those tonight. Yeah, this looks slick. I can't wait to see it on the car. They're the 18 by 9.5 inch wheels with the 38 offset. So from what I've been told and what I've read online, these are like the perfect offset rim size for the Subi. I also went with, where's the size here? 265 18, so nice and fat. These are the new Firestone Firehawk Indy 500 tires that have recently come out. Recently-ish, anyways, I should say. They're supposed to be unreal. I was gonna go with the Michelin Pilot Super Sports, but I figured I'd try something different. And these things look intense. Can't get over how wide these are. That's awesome. Spring is here. Street sweepers are out. Time for all the goodies. Alright, the wheels are installed and I love them. This just set the car off perfect now. The offset, just everything. Yeah, those look real good. Not too much poke or nothing. It's like flush as flush can be. Yeah, I like it. I like them a lot. That was money well spent. Not as much wheel gap as I thought there was going to be either, which is alright. Maybe one day get some yellow lowering springs, but for now, I'm just happy. One more walk around. Not seeing much that way. So far, driving on them too has been really nice. Driving out to Kelowna, which is about a 45-minute an hour drive away on the highway every night to see my girl at the hospital, and yeah, these have been really good on the highway, and yeah, I'm excited to actually bring these onto some twisties or hopefully maybe even a track this summer. Alright guys, until next time.